Yo, what is up, guys? This is Zeke here. I'm gonna give you a little backstory on the video. My friend Lorx was doing a freestyle rap out of random, and I decided to record him. And we're gonna make a series out of this now. It's where we're gonna be videotaping this every Friday and calling it a Freestyle Friday. So hope you guys enjoy and have a wonderful show. Are y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Yeah. Oh God.
Yeah. Yeah.
About to tip off.
Turn me down a little bit more. Yeah.
You're just singing the song.
Yeah. My dick is so small. Fuck you so hard. Your bitch on the ground, doing doggy style. Damn, she twerking. I see that it's your sister. Oh shit, she just squirted all over my face. Call that a facial. Hell yeah. I fucking broke both of her legs. Put that bitch in her own place. Fuck that bitch real hard. Made her own asshole bleed. Damn, that's what I call a rough night. Little bitch, fight night. Go and fight club. Walking into the kitchen. Hear my dog. Woof, woof, woof. Oh shit, you know what's going down. M Serpent C, sucking on all these dicks. He liking that shit. Taking black cocks, Asian cocks, fuck, even albino dick. Yeah, bitch, I'm gonna hang you from your fingernails. Pluck all your pubic hairs off, one by one, bitch.